I'm the director of the Arkansas Crop Variety Improvement Program, and I kind of wear two hats. So one of those hats is I run the row crop IP and intellectual property transfers and material transfers, germplasm exchanges, and licensing. And the other hat is I'm the PI for the official variety trials for soybeans, grain, sorghum, and corn. The variety trials are spread out across the state. We have our EPTs, our early planted test, in 5 locations, and our traditional planted test in 5 locations, as well as a dry land. And we also do some cooperative work with the soybean breeding group with some flood and drought studies. This is beneficial to the companies entering into our trials because through the trials we give them third-party unbiased data. So a lot of the companies throughout Arkansas are not working with their own germplasm, but they're working with germplasm that they license in from other companies, and we supply them with data that helps them figure out their marketing niche and where's the best place to sell this line and where it'll perform best for farmers. Arkansas has a wide variety of soil types and microclimates. You know, genetics by environment is a large factor in soybeans. So we spread our testing out across the state so that the farmer and the seed companies get the results and know where the line will perform the best. And not only seed companies, but it also goes out to the regional breeders. We send it out to Missouri, of course, our Dr. Mazzoni, our breeder here in Arkansas, and Tennessee and the USDA, and sometimes they'll enter some lines too, so they can get a real good head-to-head comparison with other lines. We break the varieties out by maturity group, and then we create our tests. So our tests are traditionally a randomized complete block. We'll print envelopes, lay the trials out, pack the seed, put the envelopes in the box in the correct order, and eventually just load the boxes up on a truck, come out to the field and plant. Either us or the technicians downstate at the research stations will monitor the crop as it progresses. We take a suite of notes, and then at the same time as we're taking our notes, the entries that are entered into our tests are also sent for a disease screening and a chloride screening. I believe we have about 200 soybean varieties we're testing this year. Our hope with the data that we generate, it benefits the farmer in really kind of 3 ways. The first way would be that the seed companies can test out some varieties that they're interested in and really hone in which varieties are going to work best for the Arkansas farmer. The second way it benefits farmers is that they get our data, and through our data they can make educated decisions because our data is unbiased and everybody's competing head to head. So they can really get some competition there and rely more on hard science and less on coffee shop talk. And then the third way it benefits farmers is our data moves to the cooperative extension service, where the extension specialist can really take that data and use these varieties in the verification trials to push it a little bit farther down the road, but to really help them make recommendations and take the farmer and the soil type and help them pick the best variety. So overall, it's just making sure that the best lines for each farmer are brought to their attention.